Good day, everybody. Today we are looking online at Tractor Supply Company, checking out some of their cattle panel fencing. My husband and I got some of this and we're using it for different things throughout our yard. I'm going to show you a couple examples of how we're using it. It works great if you have animals as well, and that's part of why we have it. We boarded our chicken paddock with this. So far working well. Chickens can get through it, and I'll show you that outside. It also works good if you want to extend your property fence. For us, we've used it for part of it. And we also have another piece of this that we're growing some raspberry vines with. All right, so we're outside and you can see this is where our chicken coop is. And then around this area, we've used our cattle panel to border it. And all we've done is use these T-posts, and then we've bungeed it, as you can see right there, for example. So we can move it when we need to, things like that. But we've got this all set up for the chickens, and we've got supplies in there. So it works great as a border. Going down. We've moved at different times, and it's worked out well. All right, so here's the second spot we're using in our yard. This is where we're using it to grow our raspberries. And yet last year we tried putting this in, and now with spring here, you can see them coming back, getting leaves, and I've got to reweave some of these. If they come out of this, I try to get them back into the bricks where the dirt and mulch are. Otherwise, if they hit the ground and you leave them too long, they will start to root right in your yard. And I know I've got to weed this. Everything is coming alive this spring. But in terms of using this for the vine to grow on, this makes it way easier so it can grow there and weave. You can help weave it throughout the panel. And then when it's time to harvest, you can get to it way easier without getting your fingers poked so much. And it helps you just kind of see how much raspberry you're working with. Again, for this, we just use those T-posts and bungeed it right there to it. So this is all, we can move it if we need to, make it longer, whatever you need. And then also, if you're going to get any cattle panel for any type of outdoor project you're doing, it comes in a few sizes. Every now and then TSC does put it on sale, and I'm sure other places besides TSC offer it too, so you can check around for the best deal. But thank you for checking us out. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. May health be with us all. Until next time, everybody. Thank you. Bye.